Malaria is one of the public health concerns that has continued to lead to morbidity and mortality of patients, particularly women and children below the age of 5 years. International Care for Medical Solutions Limited, ICMS Pharmacy, Maiduguri, led by its director, pharmacist Bala Ibrahim, were at a Baganaram Primary Health Care Clinic to enlighten and support pregnant women with mosquito nets as part of its corporate social responsibility to commemorate 2022 World Malaria Day.
Yau rana ce da Majalisar Ɗinkin Duniya ta ware don faɗakarwa da ilmantar da mutane akan zazzabin cizon sauro, kuma a matsayinmu na wanda muke harkar lafiya a cikin garin Maiduguri sai muka yi tunanin abin da yake da muhimmanci a wurinmu shine mu yi kokari mu taimaka ma gwamnati wurin faɗakar da mutane yadda za a kiyaye daga faruwarsa. So amma mu da muka tashi sai muka mai da hankalinmu akan mata masu ciki saboda muhimmancinsu a society. Su ne za su haifa mana manyan gobe, sannan kuma su ne iyayenmu, kuma suna buƙatar taimako daga wurinmu. Shi yasa muka zauna muka sanar da su akan abubuwan da suke kawo shi wannan zazzabi na cizon sauro da kuma yadda za a kare sauran daga cizon mutum ko kuma daga shi kanshi zazzabin cizon sauron.
The pregnant women and beneficiaries of the free mosquito net and enlightenment program have this to say.
Alhamdulillah, nandiro askirgina nandiro bayan kadasar na bayan da fanye na kurnya na insha Allah Allah ya sanama awada nandiro guzana duk lenya ikayin awada nandiro guzana duk Allah ya sadalenya awanda guzana maradiyan.
Gaskiya mun gode da abubuwan da suka mana, mun gode, Allah ya saka, sun mana faɗakarwa kuma mun ji, insha Allah za mu bi.
Allah ya saka musu kuma mu ci gaba da amfani da shi ma sauran matan yan uwa.
Very appreciating international care for medical solution in limited.
Teran ge we basar ta kana kurwa halanzi ya kana da suka gaskiya askara ya fulengana ala mo kwaza.
We are very much grateful with their help, because had it been other organization will support government the way this organization ICSM they did, we are very much grateful because it will help government together with the people of the community.
The exercise, according to the director of ICMS Pharmacy, which is aimed at reducing malaria burden and accelerate efforts to achieve malaria-free state, also seeks to build resilience among the victims of humanitarian crisis.
I think the major thing is we should try to improve on sanitation. The people generally should understand that sanitation is the major way of eradicating malaria parasite, vector rather. By the time you eradicate the vector, I think we won't have the malaria, but that is a major task. The government is doing its best. When you move to most cities, you see that the government is doing a lot, but there is a lot need to be done by the citizenry.
With the team harness innovation to reduce the malaria disease burden and save lives, the director of ICMS Pharmacy took time to discourage the women from self-medication and that they should always consult medical experts for professional healthcare services.
Sometimes last year, the World Health Organization has approved for tests a particular vaccine for malaria, which is on the test, and in some places it's even in use. And we hope that the federal government, probably before the end of the year, might give approval for the use of this vaccine.
But here at ICMS Pharmacy, even though you may come for something as minor as probably paracetamol, this and that, we always encourage and advise you and even ask questions. We don't just assume you should know what to do or how to take it, you understand? We'll ask you, what do you want to use it for? Who is it for, you understand? So our advice to them as they always is that always seek counsel before you take drugs. Don't assume.